The Eagle Huntress. The Eagle Huntress is a Kazakh language documentary film from British director Otto Bell about Aysholpan Nurgaev, a 13-year-old girl whose dream was to become an eagle hunter. For over 1,000 years, the nomads have hunted with golden eagles, a skill traditionally handed from father to son. But that didn't stop Aysholpan. The film follows her on a journey from capturing her first baby eagle through training to competing in a contest against adult eagle hunters. Online photos of Aysholpan training inspired Otto Bell, who traveled to one of the most remote locations on Earth to find her and her family. He spent all his savings on 700 kilograms of equipment and 2 cameramen to operate it to tell Aysholpan's story. The snow and the dust, the speed of Aysholpan's golden eagle, and the lack of electricity in the area made filming a challenge. They even drove alongside Aysholpan and her father as they were riding their horses, filming out of the open door of their van. They used drones for aerial shots and strapped tiny cameras to Aysholpan and her eagle. Their work paid off, with the film capturing the stunning scenery, the nomads' fascinating lifestyle, and their wonderful relationship with nature. The Eagle Huntress is a popular and highly praised film, not only because it tells the story of a strong and brave girl, but because of what her story shows us. She had a dream and, with the support of her family, her own strong will, talent and self-belief, she achieved that dream.